effort, full bolt-on with your LT4, ZL1, Cts-V, Z06, tune in. We're gonna get you to 775 wheel horsepower. Let's go. Yes, sir. Going on YouTube, I am back with another video, and yes, as you saw in the title and thumbnail, we're going to be talking about full bolt-on and getting to 775 wheel horsepower in your LT4s. Again, that's ZL1, Z06 CTSVs from 2015 to current pretty much at this point. So let's start off by explaining what I mean by full bolt-on. Full bolt-on means anything that can be added to the car without opening up the motor, SBE, right? Stock block, okay? So this is everything that we can do without opening the block. 2, swapping the supercharger. And then 3, staying within a safe, fun horsepower numbers. Well, Toro, what is a safe horsepower number? For me, to the wheels, a safe is somewhere between that 600 to 800 range, 800 kind of getting there as far as being on the street and actually enjoying the car. Anything past 800, it's gonna be a process to start driving the car, using the car, etc. So I will say this is not from Mass Acceleration. I decided not to show Mass Acceleration prices. This is from a third-party shop, and this is what will get you 775 wheel horsepower pretty easily. And we're gonna dive in. So this specific shop lists off what you get to be able to get to that 775 number. They start off with a Kong export. They do a upper and lower pulley. Size-wise is probably a 2.3 upper pulley with a 945 lower pulley, something like that. They do the green HD belt just like most supercharged cars. They do a big gulp air intake. That's kind of the roto-fab route that most Chevy LT4 owners go. They do a Kong 103 millimeter throttle body. They do some sort of long tube headers, whether that's American Racing, Stainless Works, Cooks, and so forth. They do spark plugs and wires. That's a safety thing. And then obviously when you get up into higher horsepower, you need a little extra oomph when it comes to that. They do an Alki kit with a trunk kit. Okay, so you start talking about fuel and some other things that are added to this 775 wheel horsepower. Then you come here, they do an auxiliary fuel kit, a flex fuel sensor, of course a P3 gauge to see your fuel content, a oil catch can. They do a billet lid, DSX, LMP, a couple other companies have this billet supercharger lid. They do a heat exchanger, a front bumper tape, and then of course the labor and installation, and a tune. Well, Toro, that's a lot to be considered full bolt-on. Well, that's a lot of wheel horsepower for not opening up the block or adding on a supercharger. This is everything you can do to your LT4 literally without supercharging or changing the supercharger or without adding a can. So this is literally all the things you can do to go faster, okay? And it does come with a price tag. Everything that I just listed runs you, including install labor and a tune, $22,123. Some may say that's a lot, some may say that's a good deal, but let's talk about it. You start out at 540 wheel horsepower in an LT4. Some a little bit more than others, but on average I'm seeing 540 wheel horsepower, which isn't a lot. They're getting you another 230 horsepower out of your car. I think that's a pretty good deal for a 230-ish extra horsepower to the wheel. So we're talking wheel horsepower, okay? So at that point, we're probably talking 850 to the crank, maybe a little bit more. That's a good number to be at, to be able to walk around and have a strong 775 wheel horsepower. You can't beat it, okay? Now, with this company, they do add on some safe mods. They do a one-piece drive shaft from Drive Shaft Shop. Shout out to Drive Shaft Shop. I've used them almost every car that I've ever had. Their drive shaft runs $2,200, almost $2,300. Then For them, if you're gonna be drag racing it or racing it in general, you gotta be able to put the power down. 775 wheel horsepower is nothing to play with. If you're not on a Comp Street 2 tire, a Sport Cup tire, something of a street radial style tire, they're gonna put you on a 15-inch conversion kit. That way you can fit a pretty nice size meaty radial on there. So they do a 15-inch conversion kit with billet arms, TBM brakes, and brake hoses. This helps you put this number to the ground, does it safely, and your car does not break. This is well within the range of your LT4 transmissions. 8L90s, I believe, is what is in there. I know that because I'm getting my transmission built right now. But that is full bolt-on. Let me know what you think in the comments, but let me tell you about what I have on my car currently and tell you how much wheel horsepower I have. So one, I have a Kong Export supercharger. I still have a stock supercharger. I do have a upper pulley. I have a 2.3 upper pulley. I do have a HD belt. I have a big gulp intake, a 100mm throttle body from Kong, long tube headers, a billet lid. I'm missing something. Oh, and a front bumper expansion tape. Okay. And of course, a tune. So with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 out of these 18, 50%. I have 50% of this. Now, I haven't done fuel. That's currently being done right now. One, because the car sits so long with me working and living overseas, and leaving E85 or any type of meth, etc. in the car obviously isn't good. But I have 50%. How much wheel horsepower do I have? On 93, on a conservative tune, I have 640 wheel horsepower. So I still have a little ways to go to get to that 775. Now, obviously, when you add some of the fuel aspects, when you add some of the alky control, your heat exchanger, a couple other aspects, and then a more aggressive tune, because again, I am on a very, very safe tune right now, I could get somewhere to that 775 horsepower range. Now, how much did I pay for 640 wheel, which is another 100 horsepower? Call Mass Acceleration and ask for the Toro package. You'll make a little bit more than 640 because they're not going to give you such a less aggressive tune. But those are some options. Anything on this list is considered full bolt-on. So screenshot, take it to your shop, take it to your tuner, ask them what you can get to a horsepower number, but all of these together get you 775. And then lastly, if you do include the safe pieces here, you're looking at $30,000 to get your LT4 to 775 wheel horsepower. Again, full bolt-on, you're not even opening up the engine. 30 grand. Is it worth it to you? Let me know. Let me know what you would choose on this spec list, and that is a wrap.